Hello, how are you today? I hope you are doing well. Take a deep breath. Relax your body. Let's start speaking English together. Today is a good day. You are learning something new. That is amazing. I wake up early in the morning. I drink a glass of water. Then I check my phone. After that, I get ready for the day. I like to keep things simple. Simple habits make life easier. I usually have breakfast at home. Sometimes I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I just drink tea. After breakfast, I start my work. I try to stay focused. I don't like distractions. Learning English is not hard. You just need practice. Practice every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn faster. Just keep going. I like to watch videos in English. It helps me understand better. I also try to speak every day. Even if I speak alone, it's okay. I am improving step by step. That's what matters. Sometimes I talk to my friends in English. We keep it simple. We don't worry about grammar too much. We just try to communicate. That is the most important thing. Speaking is about connection. I want to speak English fluently. I know it takes time, but I am patient. Every day I get a little better. I can feel my progress, and that makes me happy. Some days are hard. I feel tired or lazy, but I don't stop. Even 10 minutes is enough. Small steps create big results. Consistency is the key. I'm getting used to English sounds. I'm learning how natives speak. They speak fast, but I can understand. I just need more listening practice. I believe in myself. I can do this. Now I feel more confident. I can speak better than before. I will keep practicing every day. I will not give up. English is becoming easy for me, and I am proud of myself.